Alright, this is my Kawasaki Ninja 250 2005, and it won't start. I've had the battery charger on. It's the one that will keep it up to charge. It won't charge it all the time, like forever. I had thought the battery died, so I bought the charger and it charged it, and now it's just been on maintenance mode for the past 5 hours. And so now I'm just going to try to start it up. See, lights come on. All my lights are on and everything. Flashers work. Headlights on. So I don't think there's anything wrong with the battery. So now the choke's all the way off. Nothing. I have no idea what to do. I'm not real big into knowing anything about mechanics, so any help would be great. Also, I don't know if this matters at all, but there's some corrosion around the positive side of the battery to where I can't even get the screw off to take the battery out. So if you guys know any way of getting the corrosion off so I can get the screw off, I accidentally stripped a screw just trying to get it out, but I have no idea what to do, and I really don't have a way of getting it to the shop. So anything you can help me with, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.